Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. It's Kyle with our Theta price action update, and I trust that you're doing well, as Theta certainly is, being up 13% at the time of recording. I see that tfuel is up very close to 10% as well. Things looking really good here. So doing a follow-up from the last analysis, we were watching the 0.382 of the Fibonacci retracement. Not all that long ago, we saw price action get up in that area, tested it, and a pretty big sell came into the downside. Since then, we saw that the purple 200 EMA was able to pick up price action on candle body closures right in this region, and then price action just started to float to the upside. And it did get up to the yellow 21, which did get inside that liquid zone in this area right here. And we saw price action kind of just hesitate there. But then on yesterday's candle, it did get the closure up above there. And that was enough to do it as Jack and the Beanstalk shows up, firing the celery stick straight through the 0.382. And like I was saying in the last video, that these areas of resistance become more probable to break on second pass. It's not uncommon to see a rejection on first pass of these areas, especially after the heavy selling that was coming into the market as a whole over the last few weeks. So this is very classic textbook. Here we go, like clockwork, shredding that 0.382. Now the question is can Theta turn some of these areas of resistance into support? We look for those SR flips. So the former resistance now becoming future support. And as we know that things don't move up in a straight line, we get these nasty red candles along the way, and we also get trending behavior along the way as well. So at any given point, we can get some red candles here. And now we're going to look to the 0.382 to come in as support. And that is coming in around $8.46. We also see that Theta starting to regain some of the major moving averages as well. I mean, today's candle hasn't necessarily closed. It will do so in about 7 hours from the time of recording. But if it closes like this, it's going to be regaining the 89 exponential, which is in cyan here, and it'll be regaining the 30 simple moving average as well as the green 55. We do see that it is testing the 100 here and is pausing at this point in time. But we'll have to just see how this daily candle body closes. But if it is able to close like this, it's going to be taking out a lot of these major moving averages, and then those will become allies to the upside as they can defend against downside price action. So the next spot that I'm going to be watching to the upside is the 0.5 of the Fibonacci retracement. That's coming in at $9.86. That's the next area I'd like to see Theta beat. And if Theta can get up there and close above that, then the next area I'll be watching is the 0.618. And let's go ahead and stick a little horizontal in that area there. So I'm just going to go down like this. Let's toss a horizontal on there. That's coming in at $11.28. And it is quite important that that we see price action get up above there over time, as that is lower high territory. So we have the all-time high of Theta here. We get a lower low here. We get a lower high, and now we do have a lower low in progress. So essentially we have a daily downtrend. So if it did stick a lower high in that area here, then essentially it would be another lower high in a series of them, and the daily downtrend wouldn't be beat just yet. So that's why those areas are really important, and market movers will pay very close attention to those levels, and that's where you can see bull traps. So essentially that can be a kill zone. So that's the first area. Well, first area is the 0.5 as I stated before, but then the next major area that I want to see it beat is the 0.618. But things are looking really good here right now, and that Theta is likely going to have an honest chance at doing that sometime in the near future. And let's drop down below, see the momentum oscillators here, looking great. So RSI has now found support on the edge of the bearish control zone and has launched through the EMA. Now the EMA has a fairly aggressive slope to the upside, and the RSI has plenty of room to run. And as a matter of fact, let's just do a little trend line here and see what this looks like. Not really too sloppy. I was going to say perhaps we had a trend line here that was getting resolved to the upside, but a little bit too sloppy for my liking there. But either way, RSI is looking really good here. Down below on the stochastics, they are coming into contact with the edge of the bullish control zone now in perfect concert with the RSI, so that's a great look. And down below in the MACD, we're seeing a fresh bullish cross 4 days ago now, and now momentum's getting picked up to the upside here as the histogram prints another nice green bar of positive momentum. So this is looking good. I like to see the oscillators rhyming with price action. I like to see how the 21 now came in as support. As soon as we broke up above that, we saw the very quick back test of that 21, and now it's support, and the bots and algorithms are flipping to the buy side of that, looking really good here. So let's pay very close attention to the 0.5 coming in at $9.86. If you see price action get up around that area and hesitate, just know that's a very major area that a lot of market movers will be watching. And then if it gets up above that, we'll be watching the we'll be watching the 0 spot 618 coming at $11.28, another major area. And to the downside, we're going to look to the 0 spot 382 now be our support level, and that's coming in at $8.46. If it breaks down below that, then we'll watch this liquid zone here that has the top side coming in around $8.17 and the bottom side coming in at about $7.37. And now we do have the 21 and the 10 living in that area, and it's fair to look to those moving averages as support as well. So things looking good here as Theta picks itself back up, and who knows, maybe we even see this spill into the weekend here and get some positive price action throughout the weekend as well. Anyhow, thanks so much for coming by and checking out this video. Hope you guys are getting some sweet relief here as Theta's ripping to the upside, now up over 13% at the time of recording, looking good. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until I do, have yourselves a powerful day.